Hi guys, Mariah again with the Party Thieves. Today I'm going to show you how to take your clusters. Hope you guys checked out our other video on how to make these and how we're going to attach them together to start making our garland. Now, there are different ways that you can go about attaching your clusters to each other. So today I'm just going to show you one technique, which is taking the necks of the balloons and tying those together. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so with this technique of taking the necks of the balloons and tying them together, this is one of the reasons why I said if you watched our tying the balloons together video, you want to make sure you have really long necks because it's going to make this way easier. So I'm going to go into the middle of my cluster here. I'm going to find a long neck. This one looks pretty good on each cluster. Okay, now this is probably going to be kind of hard to show you guys, but I'm basically just going to take both and I'm going to tie them together. So with this, you're going to want to make sure, whoop, that happens a lot. Your balloons are kind of lined up where they want to be. It's going to make it a lot easier. I'll kind of show you the finished product here once I have it. Can't really see what I'm doing, so we're just okay. So that's how it looks there. Basically, can you see in there how those two necks are tied together? Just like that. And then of course you can always kind of twist and adjust your balloons so that they kind of fit in with each other, like so. And now we have our two clusters connected together.